All right, welcome to my Red Ranger Gemini unboxing. Here we go. Shrink wrapped. I'm doing it on the floor because I don't know how many pieces this thing's gonna have. All right, cellophane's off. There we go. Romp. Romp. All right. Look at what we got. We've got a sticker. I don't think I've ever used a red sticker yet. Maybe I have. Registration card. Okay. A couple of these nifty red tools. A red handle, which is nice. Camera comes with a handle. All right, the camera body. Oh, let's do it this way. We'll get back to the camera body. All right, what else is in there? Power brick, which I was told to expect it to be XLR. And it is. All right. This little guy, which is apparently there's an engagement ring. It's part of this package. Here we go. Will you be mine? Could you be mine? Oh, it's not an engagement ring. Power adapters. Pretty wickedly designed power adapters. All right. That will be floating around in the case for the next few years. An empty optical power cable. And the adapter. 3-pin to a red 4-pin. All right, that's it. Box is empty now. Move all this stuff over here. And now, the Red Ranger. It's not quite first impressions since I recently went to Los Angeles to look at this camera before I actually bought it. It's really tightly foamed, which is nice. I guess I could reuse this foam. Oh. Not sure what that is exactly. Oh, it's the shims. It's the shims. Well, that's a big difference in a way about this PL mount. It's shimmed. So it's like old school film cameras. Instead of tweaking a screw, you put different shims in. So you kind of need a tool to do that, or you could just do it by, I don't know, guessing and see if it works out. It's nicely identified as shimmed mount. Anyway, here's a camera. Here's the right side of the camera. And here is the operator side. This actually is an installed adapter. This can come out. But since most of my stuff goes back to the DSMC1 days, I've got a lot of stuff that works off of this cable. Anyway, top plate, intake, V-mount, lots of ins and outs, including sound. Genlock is a traditional BNC this time. That's a little antenna for Wi-Fi. A couple of power outs. And that's about it. Here we go. I'll end up with the taking of the plastic off of the red insignia. Ooh. Strangely, it looks like it has a back focus screw. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it. Red Ranger Gemini.